Hi honeydews, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to transform your look, confidence, and routine just in time for back to school? In this 30-day challenge, I'll share my top tips, hacks, and routines to help you achieve a stunning glow up. From skincare and makeup to productivity and self-care, we'll cover it all. Let's get started on this epic transformation journey. Segment 1. Skincare Routine. Double Cleansing. Start with a gentle oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser. Exfoliating. Use a chemical exfoliant containing alpha-hydroxy acids AHAs or beta-hydroxy acids BHAs 2 to 3 times a week. Moisturizing. Apply a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Sunscreen. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 daily. Segment 2. Makeup Tips. Natural everyday look. Focus on enhancing your features with a natural, effortless look. Brows. Groom and define your brows to frame your face. Concealer. Use concealer to cover blemishes and dark circles. Highlighting. Apply highlighter to accentuate your cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow. Segment 3. Hair Care. Hair Mask. Treat your hair to a nourishing mask once a week. Hair Care Routine. Establish a consistent hair care routine, including shampooing, conditioning, and styling. Hair Styling. Learn a few easy, stylish hairstyles for school. Segment 4. Productivity Hacks. Time Management. Prioritize tasks, set realistic goals, and use a planner or app to stay organized. Study Tips. Develop effective study habits, such as active recall, spaced repetition, and chunking. Productivity Apps. Explore apps that help with organization, focus, and time management. Segment 5. Self-care and mindfulness. Mindfulness practices. Incorporate mindfulness practices, such as meditation or deep breathing, into your daily routine. Self-care routines. Establish self-care routines, such as reading, journaling, or taking a relaxing bath. Sleep schedule. Prioritize getting enough sleep to help your body and mind function at their best. Segment 6. Wardrobe Refresh. Capsule Wardrobe. Create a capsule wardrobe with essential, versatile pieces. Style Inspiration. Find style inspiration from influencers, bloggers, or celebrities. Thrifting. Explore thrift stores or secondhand shops for unique, affordable pieces. Segment 7. Confidence Boosters. Positive Affirmations. Practice positive affirmations to boost your confidence and self-esteem. Self-acceptance. Focus on self-acceptance and self-love. Body language. Improve your body language to project confidence and positivity. And that's it. With these tips, hacks, and routines, you'll be well on your way to a stunning back-to-school glow-up. Remember, transformation takes time, so be patient and kind to yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.